I have tested out a lot of Amazon finds and I'm sharing the best of the best in today's video, some spring staples and some new arrivals you are not gonna wanna miss. Let's jump in. I love this floral dress for so many reasons. Now this particular silhouette does come in multiple different colors. I love the floral. I think it's perfect for heading into spring, whether it's a date night, an event you have, maybe a graduation, Easter's right around the corner. This is a beautiful option. Now with this dress, it has so many beautiful little details to it. I wear it with this one. You can wear one that just kind of covers your front. Those bras are an option as well, but just giving you some options there. I am wearing a size medium here. I wanted to make sure I had good length because I am taller, but I just think it's such a feminine, girly, elegant dress that you feel so good in. It's one of my favorites. If I had to rate this two-piece set, it would truly be 11 out of 10. If you are familiar with this Spanx Air Essentials collection, it's a beautiful fabric that literally gets softer with every wash, but it is very pricey, and this feels just like that. I have the Spanx Air Essentials, and I know that this feels just like it. I wear my true to size small. This is the set that you can wear now with the denim jacket and some sneakers, and then as you obviously move into the warmer months, you can switch things around. Now I went with a basic black, so I could really switch up my bag or accessories here to just transform the look too. So wearing true to size small in this set, and for height reference, I am 5'8", 5'9", and it is just beautiful. I love the mock neck. I love the sleeveless style. It's an easy one and done outfit. Now ladies, this is the fashion hack we need for all of our dresses. These compression shorts. Now I have tried some compression shorts before and I didn't love them. I felt like they were really uncomfortable. They kind of just felt so tight. The technology on these are so good. It has these little bands or pieces of fabric here that kind of like suck everything in a comfortable way. They help just give that shape that you're looking for. So that's a huge bonus. Or if it's a windy day outside, we all know those days and you're wearing a shorter dress, these are great. They give you that protection that you need. They run very true to size. They have a breathable fabric. This is a newer style to Amazon and I'm really, really impressed with them. So I picked up the like nude color as well as the black. Also a really cool hack if you have a white dress and you want to make sure your underwear doesn't show through. I really like this nude options. The level of excitement for these new sneakers. In our trends of 2025 you don't want to miss, I had shared that the cool chocolate brown was the color of 2025. In a gazelle, these are going to go really quickly. I keep checking on Amazon and they are in stock right now. They do come in whole and half sizing and they do show the size options for men and women so you can get the perfect fit. I went with my true to size 9. Not only are they really cute, but they're also extremely comfortable. They have this arch support in here that like perfectly molds to my foot. I mean, it's insane. It's incredible. These shoes are easy to walk into for long periods of time, and any shoe that kind of has a low sole to it is very popular in 25. So you're really getting a few trends with this one. And I just feel like this chocolate brown goes with everything. I'm very, very excited about it. And I know this will be a sneaker that I wear the entire year. So you'll see this a lot in my upcoming videos. And if you love all things fashion, affordable fashion and styling videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And we bring out a new video about twice a week and I'd love to have you here. But if you're looking for a longer option, I actually have this dress in 2 colors now. The asymmetrical slit on the side is one of my favorite features on this dress. It does feature a gorgeous square neckline here. And again, it's by that same brand, that stretchy fabric that is so comfortable. Now I'm wearing size small and I feel like it's that perfect fitted dress. It's not like skin tight where it shows absolutely everything, but it still gives you that shape that you're looking for. So oftentimes in fitted dresses, I will size up to a medium and I just wear my true to size small in this one. So keep that in mind. It hits at the perfect 3/4 length. This actually was a top seller when I shared this over on Instagram. So I know everyone will love it here, but I will have both of these colors down below listed in the description box as well as pinned as the top comment. Now, I love a piece that you can wear every day all the way to the office. I have a few options here that are so good. Truly, truly, I think I've tried a lot of workwear pieces on Amazon and I feel like so many of the ones that I've tried recently I've been so disappointed on. I really like these 2 tops that you can wear now and you can wear them into the summer. So I often feel like indoors, even during the summer, can be chilly. So I love the fact that this is a sleeveless sweater. I love the mock neck. It's not an itchy fabric. It's this nice high quality ribbed fabric. It comes in a variety of different color options. So you can wear this with trousers trouser pants, which I'll share in just a second, all the way to denim shorts, throw a cute belt around there just to add a little something to the look, as well as denim jeans. So I wear my true to size. It fits perfectly. It's not too tight. It's that nice loose but still flattering fit. And again, it comes in many colors. Now, having a moment for these trousers, I own these in multiple colors. I just picked up the gray and the cream here, but they're so great. Like I said, very good look for less. The quality on these are amazing, but they're also size inclusive. So if you're taller like I am, you just have longer legs, or maybe you're petite and you're like, oh, these pants are too long on me. These are great. They do come in extended sizing, which is amazing. Also does have that elastic band, so they're comfortable to wear all day long. Whether you've just eaten lunch and you feel like, ugh, when you're sitting down. No, this has a great amount of stretch to it. It also does have the zip and button fly here in the front, but I do like the option that it does have the adjustable back, because sometimes even when you're tucking in a top, it can make the waistline a little bit tighter. These are gonna feel great all day long. You also can throw a belt on with this. That's a really great way to just kind of elevate any outfit or accessorize with a bag. Now, as far as sizing, I do wear my true to size small long here, and I think I've shared these in 4 colors now. The cream is so beautiful for spring and summer. I feel like it just gives total elevated look. Style this with some heels and you are office ready. Now, with those trouser pants, you also could style this sweater ruffle sleeve top. The fabric on this one is so nice. It's a lightweight to medium sweater fabric, so you're still gonna get that little bit of warmth while still being great for spring and summer. It does come in other color options. I love the black detailing around the trim. It just adds a little something. Now for this, I did go with a medium, and I'm glad that I did. Actually, I tried the small and the medium, and I liked the little bit of a looser fit in the medium, so just keep that in mind if you're in between sizes. Styled a thin black belt with this with the white trouser pants, and it is beautiful. I've also styled this with some light wash denim jeans for more of a casual look, and I love the way that that looks too. So style that with some sneakers, some sandals for the spring and summer, and there you have it. Another really versatile closet staple you'll wear on repeat. So you get lots of use out of it. Now, we can't breeze past this gorgeous woven bag. One of my favorites. I feel like it's really shines in the spring and summer just because obviously the color, but then the texture. It's a one strap, which I love. It's not gonna fall off your shoulder. It also does have a magnetic closure here in the middle. Also comes with a little bag that you can put smaller items in that you don't want jostled around. But this is great because I think it also functions really well as a work bag. I wear this casually, but you can fit a lot in here, but it's not too bulky. It's that perfect tote size that's very practical without like overpowering or feeling really frumpy. And let me tell you, one strap bags are where it's at. Really, you don't have to worry about it falling off your shoulder. They're just the best. This particular style I did get in the light cream, but it does come in a variety of different colors. Now, you're gonna wanna hit that subscribe button because I have tested out over 50 Amazon dresses, and I am putting the best of the best in Amazon dress video coming up. So make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss. But this is my go-to denim dress. I now own this in multiple colors. This is so beautiful for spring and summer, but it's the details. It has this gorgeous kind of acid wash. And if you missed the trends video, I did share in there this Western style is huge for 2025, specifically more like authentic Western, but I feel like this is an easy way to kind of encompass that trend. I love the back tier design on it. It's so easy and flowy. It washes well. Also has functional buttons the whole way down the front. I like to kind of cuff it 3/4 just for a very relaxed fit. It looks great with little clog all the way to some cute sandals to dress it up a little bit. Wear it out to brunch, wear it out to dinner, wear it casually. I wear this to church. It's just a great piece. And if it's still chilly out, style it with some boots now. And as far as sizing, I did go with size medium here. So again, for the length, and it's perfect. Now, maybe you have a warm weather vacation, spring break coming up, and you want a good sandal to style. These chunky style sandals were so popular last year, and I'm starting to see retailers bring them back, and these are my favorite. I would just suggest sizing up one size in these. I do think they run a little bit on the smaller side, but they're very comfortable, and I love the gold detail here. They do come in a variety of different color options. I feel like the sole is really comfortable, easy to wear. I styled this with dress dresses all the way to denim shorts, jeans. Just the style of them, I think it's the little bit of a chunkier style. It's just so beautiful. I feel like it adds a little bit of something. It's kind of like with all this gold detailing here, really adds like an accessory to your shoes. It's just a really cool vibe. So this cream color goes with everything, and I style this with swimsuits, with cover-ups, again with shorts, dresses, and you name it. It's a really easy way to just add a little something to your looks. Yes, Leopard is here to stay, and it is going full force in 2025. And if you're not a huge Leopard fan, but you want to throw little pops of it in your wardrobe, this is how to do it. These sneakers, they're not bulky. They are so comfortable on the feet. So comfortable. They have this padding around the ankle area, and they have an air cooled sole to it, but also a lot of padding there. So these are the shoes you'll reach for, especially if you're a neutrals girl and you find yourself wearing a lot of neutral outfits. This is the perfect addition to any look that really switches things up a little bit and keeps you very on trend without breaking the bank. These come in at under $37. And now if you love this style, but you don't like the leopard, it does come in a variety of other color options you can choose from. And it comes in whole and half sizing. So wearing true to size 9 here, and they're just a favorite. And if you're looking for a really good transition hoodie casual piece, the Trendy Queen brand on Amazon, you cannot go wrong with. They are, in my opinion, one of the best brand sellers on Amazon, and they have this spring zip hoodie. Now I love this because it's a little bit more of a cropped fit. So you can style this with high-waisted denim, high-waisted shorts. You can take this with you on a summer evening if it gets a little chilly out, maybe at a restaurant. This is just going to be a versatile zip up that you can just throw on. The fabric is really, really nice here. It does feature a full zip with a hood, comes in a variety of color options. Now I went with a medium, and I easily could have went with size small. I just was looking for that like not super fitted option, and I thought that I would need to size up to a medium, but no, I would go with your true to size here. You guys have seen me style their oversized pullovers before, and they're just so good. So I love this brand and was really excited to have a really great spring transition option. Now I picked up this oversized striped t-shirt in 3 colors. This is so similar to a very popular one from the Free People's website. This one obviously is a more affordable price point. It's available in sizes small through extra large, but it has that naturally oversized fit. So I went with size small here. It does feature the split hemlines on the side. It's legging friendly, but also front tucks into jeans really well. I like this fabric. It's a really nice lightweight, kind of almost like a cooling fabric. And I find that this fabric doesn't wrinkle. So it's probably because a little bit of poly that's in it, but I really like it. I think it's so easy to style, and I love the stripes. I feel like it switches up from just your basic t-shirt, which I like as well. So here's a basic, comes in so many colors, and I love just having a few different shirts like this that I can just rotate through without really having to think about my outfit, that I can throw them on with casual shorts, denim shorts, anything like that. If you have been waiting and waiting for a legging that did not have a front inseam, you must try these, and the fabric is truly like that. I don't know. It's amazing. I wish you all could come through the camera and feel these leggings. They have that buttery soft stretchy. They really feel like the Lululemon. I think it's like their Wonder Under, except I like this better because it's not so tight. This particular legging from Amazon does hold you in and feel very comfortable, but it's not like suffocating. It does have a high-waisted fit, no front inseam. So ladies, that's amazing. This does fit me like a 7/8 length on my 5'9" frame. Comes in probably every single color option, and I went with my true to size small here. So definitely a legging you can wear year round, workout friendly, casual friendly, throw it on with an oversized tee or your favorite sports bra and use it to work out in. It is a favorite legging, and I've tried out a lot of leggings on Amazon. Let's chit chat about these palazzo pants. They are perfect for spring and summer. So whether you're just wearing them out and about with a cute bodysuit and a denim jacket, or you're styling these on vacation, they're that versatile. So I wear size medium here. Again, I wanted it for the length, and it fits perfect. It kind of has that wide leg, trendy, loose fit. You can style even a swimsuit, a one-piece swimsuit on with this, and it's great then to be at a pool or a resort, and then it can go right to lunch. So the pants for that option are great. They're just that flowy, loose fabric. I picked them up in the cream as well as the black, but the black would also be perfect as a workwear piece too. So I styled it with a gorgeous blouse, some heels to show that waist. So one of those closet staples you could wear so many different ways on your day-to-day life. Sizes extra small through extra large, and they do run true to size. I am so picky when it comes to denim jeans, and I am so excited to share these with you guys. So I kind of went on like a denim jean hunt. I tried out a lot. So many I just didn't love, and these I'm so excited about. So the Levi brand, I feel like I've had some success in the past with them, but I've also had some styles that I didn't love, send them back. This one is the perfect medium weight. They're the rib cage straight. So I always size up one size for my true to size in Levi's. I do feel like they run smaller, but here's the thing. The fabric is so good. They hold their shape all day long. So it's not one of those jeans that you just feel like it's so loose and just doesn't feel like it gives you the shape that you want. These are so flattering too. They do feature the full button fly, front pockets, back pockets, and I love this medium wash. It's beautiful, and it's the on-trend straight style without being too loose. Now I have Abercrombie denim, very similar to this, and I mean, these are better. They're so good. So definitely a great option. I have them styled with the brown gazelles I had shared, but I love the fit on this. I feel like it hugs you around the waist area, but then still gives you that kind of trendy straight style. But I did get word. I've been seeing the retailers, the designers have been saying that skinny jeans are back. Our thoughts? Drop it down below. Are you excited? Have you been waiting for this moment? Or are you like, no, don't let it be true? I want to know. But it does come in more color washes. Like I said, just size up one size and you should be good to go. This two-piece set, I have shared this particular set in another color last spring, summer, and it was a favorite. So I actually picked it up in this new striped color. Now before I had got it in size small and I liked it, but it felt a little bit like I just would have liked a medium better. So I did pick it up in the medium this time. So if you're in between sizes like I am, go with your larger size. It does come in more color options, and I love this because as you can see, you can wear it on its own on an everyday basis when it starts to get warm. It is more of a medium weight fabric, a little bit warmer, but you also can style it with a one-piece swimsuit on underneath, and that's amazing for that as well. So if you have any warm weather trips, spring break, this is definitely a set you're going to want to grab. It does come in a variety of different color options, and I love the colors on it. There's something about some bright pops of color that just lift the mood. So something about this set gets me so excited for a warm weather vacation. And if you are heading anywhere really warm, drop a comment down below and let me know where you are headed. Now we must talk about this top. The gold hardware, the fabric, it is so beautiful. Kind of that old elegance is a huge trend in 2025, and this is an easy way to wear that. Now white, I feel like this is truly a closet staple. You can wear this for the office, you can wear this casually. I have it styled with some denim, and I love the way that looks. You also can open this up and wear a bodysuit on underneath it, and that's cute too. Definitely a piece you can style now underneath the denim jacket onto its own in the summer season. Wearing true to size small here does kind of have that looser fit, but I love the rib detailing on it. I think it's just such a great piece. It does come in a variety of other color options, but can't go wrong with the classic white if you want to be able to style it with so many different looks, and it looks beautiful as I have styled here with some trouser pants for the office too. I have this shorter cotton style t-shirt dress that has this gorgeous tie on the side. Now, if you don't love red, no worries. This does come in multiple other color options. I'm wearing my true to size small here. The fabric is so good and stretchy. It's your classic t-shirt dress. I actually have another longer t-shirt dress to share, but these are my favorite to mix and match. I can throw a denim jacket over this. I can throw like a casual cardigan over it, knee-high boots, sneakers, sandals. It's gonna go with everything, and I love the fact that you could adjust the waistband here for just the absolute perfect fit on your body. I'm wearing size small here and it fits perfectly, so definitely would say it runs true to size, but closet staple for the spring and summer. Wanted to end the video sharing this little shoe and bag organizer because I thought it just went so perfectly in the corner of every room. So if you want a place to organize your shoes and your purses, definitely recommend this rotating shoe organizer. I love how it displays everything. I think sometimes we forget the pieces that we have and find we're buying more because we just forget we have pieces. So this really beautifully displays everything in the corner, and I just had to share it because I was super excited about it. The reviews on this are great, and it's honestly super easy to put together too. So that's a bonus. So definitely check out the top trends of 2025 next.